Windows 11 acting up, but you don't want to lose your files? Here's how to reset it safely, quick, clean, and data friendly. Step 1. Click on Start. Type in Reset. Should get this option for Reset this PC. Left click it. Should open up the settings panel. Go across here under Recovery Options to reset this PC. It gives you the options to keep your files, remove everything. Choose the top one to keep your files. It's asking you now if you want to download Windows from the internet. If you've got a USB stick that we created in the previous video, you can use local reinstall. I'm going to choose local reinstall as I've got a stick plugged in. The steps are exactly the same for both. Click Next. Doing some final checks. Click Reset. As you can see on screen, the PC is now restarting. It's going to prepare your Windows installation. Windows now takes over. This part usually runs for about 20 minutes, so I'll skip ahead to the desktop to show you everything is still here. Your files should be exactly where you left them. If you click on the File Explorer, choose Documents, there's all your documents, pictures, all your pictures are still here, and all your downloads as well. If Calm's step-by-step fixes help you, hit the subscribe button and give us a like so I can post more guides like this every week. One final step, check for updates. So click on Windows, type in Updates, check for updates. Once these are completed, head to the Microsoft Store as well. We can leave this running in the background. Click on the Microsoft Store down here, go to Downloads on the left hand side, check for updates. Leave this running. It's found one update. Yours might have a few more. Click on Update All. Go back to this one behind. Click on Download and Install. Let it install all the updates. Once it's done, restart your computer, and that's it. You're all up and running. You fixed Windows 11 without losing a single file. No stress. Just a fresh, stable system. If this didn't fully fix your system, next video I'll show you how to factory reset Windows 11 from USB. It's right here on screen. I'll see you there.